Okay, the name of this lesson is tuition increase, and we're going to analyze how much does the tuition at UNM increase over the last 4 years. So go ahead and open up the same spreadsheet that we did before this lesson called total yearly expense, and we'll just add to it. So to do that, you're going to hit this little plus button, and it adds a new sheet, and we'll call this tuition increase. And we're going to talk about UNM, and we're going to get our numbers from that College Navigator website. And once you type in UNM here in the box and you show your results, you're going to choose the main campus. You're going to go to the second plus sign here, the tuition. And we are there's a lot of information here. It gives us the last 4 years of, the cost of going to UNM. And since most of you probably live in New Mexico, in Albuquerque, and you probably could stay at your parents' house while you go to college, we could use this number here. So 4 years ago in 2016, the cost for in-state tuition, if you're living off campus with your family, was $12,278. So we're gonna create a spreadsheet with these numbers here. So I'll put this as a half of my screen, and here's my spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll start here by putting UNM in cell A2. And then up here, we'll put the years. So here's 2016, 2017, and I'm just putting the first numbers because that's when the school year started. And now we just need to populate these cells. So B2 would be, I'm looking, where am I? In-state, off-campus with family. So in 2016, it was $12,278, and then 1244, 12,775, and 13,141. And then what we're gonna do is figure out where did they get this 2.9% increase. So that's what they said the tuition changed by between year 2018 and 2019. So we'll see if we could use Excel to reproduce this 2.9% number, and that's a percent increase. So we're going to talk a lot about what that equation is, but I'll just go ahead and quickly explain it. It's the new number minus the old number, and then you divide it by the old number. So what would that look like in here? I'm going to put equals, and then I'm going to put parentheses. Click on the new number, subtract an old number, end parentheses, and divide it by the old number. And when I do that and hit enter, I get something that does not look like 2.9%. But I can assure you that it is. It's just in decimal form, so you gotta format it. So you're gonna right click it. We're gonna format it to be a percentage by going down. Oh, I forget. You do that if you're in Microsoft Excel. This is Google Sheets, so it's easier. You actually just select the cell and then go up to the percentage button here. And it is getting closer. It's 2.86%. And now if you wanted to say 2.9% with one decimal, you could click this little decimal decrease sign here. And there you go. That's it. We confirmed that the tuition went up by 2.9% between 2018 and 2019. Now, if we wanted to figure out the previous percent increases, we could drag that over like that. And now I didn't go all the way to here because there would be no old number to compare the increase to. So I stopped at this one. And as you can see, it increased every year, and it's increasing at an increasing rate. So there you go. I'm gonna make the top row gray, and there you go. It's kind of a weird looking table, but we'll go ahead and leave it like that.